G'day, Tomo here from Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, proudly sponsored by Minisport, we are talking about the all-important fan belts. So, what is this? What does it do? And why do you need it? Well, this is a fan belt. What does it do? It runs a fan. Why do you need it? You need your car cool, therefore you need this belt. So these do come in a variety of sizes depending on the setup of your vehicle. This is a pretty standard belt for the Black Mosquito behind me here. This just runs the water pump and the alternator on a classic Mini. Depending whether you have an alternator or a generator, they are two different lengths, as well as whether you run an air pump or even an AC compressor. Some later models may run even a power steering pump, but for the most part, there's generally two different ones you need to suit your classic Mini. These do wear over time and are a really easy thing to change, especially if you're doing any sort of system repairs like we are on the Black Mosquito. A really good Tomo's Tech tip here is to turn the belt inside out and then give it a bit of a squeeze. In between the teeth, if you start to see cracks or any sort of damage, throw it over your shoulder, get a new one. They're only worth a couple of bucks and it's worthwhile updating anytime you do any sort of repairs on this side of the engine, whether it be a thermostat, a water pump, or even just a new fan belt because the old one has shredded. So make sure to check out the full range of minisport.com.au. Oh, and while you're there, get yourself a shirt. They come in red, blue, green, and black, variety sizes. Check them out, minisport.com.au. We'll see you on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.